Hi everyone. I have a question that says a stone is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 20 meters per second. It says, how long does it take to reach its highest point? And what maximum height does it reach? Take G as 10 meters per second square. Now, let's analyze the question very well. It says a stone is thrown vertically upward. This is very important. And then with a speed, that means it has an initial speed. How long does it take to reach? How long we are looking for time to reach its maximum point? At highest point, something happens. Final velocity is 0. And what maximum height? This is what we should also look for. Does it reach? And then they ask us to take G as 10 meters per second square. Alright, solution. Now, whenever a question like this is given and you are able to map out what you are looking for and what they are giving and the condition you are working into, then you are 50% already solving the problem. Now, let's see. Vertically upwards means distance is now height. Okay, that's condition number 1. Condition number 2. It's moving with a speed. That means it has initial speed, which is 20 meters per second. How long does it take? That means we are looking for time to reach its highest point. At highest point, final velocity is 0. Now, they say, and what maximum height? So we are looking for height as well. So height is question mark. Does it reach? They say we should take G as 10 meters per second squared. Okay, so these are the data that we have. Now let's see how we are going to work it out. Now, looking at the parameters given, first, what are we looking for? We are looking for time. That was the first thing. They say how long. So if we are looking for time, what parameters relate to time here? We have G, U, T, V. All of them relate to time, but which one is simpler? Let's look at the first equation of motion that says V is equals to U plus AT. This is linear when the body is moving this way. But when the body is moving upward or falling down, then A becomes either negative G or positive G, depending on the position it's moving. So if the body is going upward, it's acting against gravity, so it will be A becomes negative G. But if the body is falling downwards, that means it's acting under gravity, so A is positive G, right? So now, our question says the body is thrown vertically upward. That means it's acting against gravity, so acceleration becomes what? Negative G. So we have V is equals to U minus GT. The next condition says that it reached its highest point. At highest point, we already have established that V is what? 0. So we have 0. It was moving with a speed already, so which is 20. G was given as 10 times T. So we are going to be looking for this T. Now, collecting of like times 0 and 20 are like times. So when positive 20 crosses equality sign, it becomes negative 20. And we have negative 10T. So this will cancel this. Your T is 20 divided by 10, which gives you 2 seconds, right? Okay. We have gotten the time. Now the next question is for us to find the maximum height. Now, at maximum height, we can use another equation of motion, especially the one that says V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. Now, this is when the body is moving linearly, right? But when the body is thrown vertically upward or falling down from a height, then acceleration, as we have established, this becomes minus G, or this acceleration becomes positive G. So in this case, we have acceleration here, so it will become negative g because it's thrown vertically upward. And then if something is working with height vertically upward, our distance s linearly becomes height h. So v squared u squared minus 2g, distance now becomes height. Okay, so let's substitute values now. Final velocity is 0, initial velocity is 20, acceleration due to gravity 10 times height. So if we rearrange, we're going to have and is equal to minus 20h, right? Okay, so 20 square is going to give you what? Minus 400. Remember, this is not something like this. It is not something like this. No, it is something as this. The minus is outside. Yeah, so we still have minus 400. Okay, good. So then, and this is going to give you minus 20h. So minus cancels minus, and then your h will be equals to 400 divided by 20, and that gives you 20. So height is in meters, 20 meters. So whenever a question like this is set, the important thing to do is to map out the conditions in which the question is set. So if you get the conditions right, you're going to get your answer correct. Is that okay? All right, so we'll stop here and then I'll bring more examples for you to clear your head a bit. All right, thank you and bye for now.